If you are tired of making a mess every time you need to touch up your walls, you're gonna love this paint pen from Slobproof. I was gifted this for review and it is so simple to use. All you want to do is pull out that paint one last time, give it a good stir, and then you're gonna use the Slobproof syringe to pull out some of your paint and then put it into the Slobproof pen. It really is a super clean process, and once it's in the pen, you will put on the brush tip, and it can stay in this pen for up to 7 years. So you will have this pen from here on to fix any spots on your wall when you see them. The only trick is to rinse the paintbrush tip and keep the top on. It stays on very securely, and when it's off, all you need to do is twist the bottom to push the paint up into the brush. In the beginning, you'll have to twist it quite a bit, but once it's there, 1 or 2 twists will get more and more paint into that brush tip for a perfect quick paint job. Here's a quick scratch on our wall. Gone. Here's a spot in the corner that I completely failed to paint the first time, and with this touch-up pen, I could touch it up perfectly without any concern I might paint my white baseboard. And once finished, all I needed to do was quickly rinse that brush tip, put the top on, and it's good to go.